Told you.
Driver's seat. Carpet seat. Thank you.
Not that loud.
Are you watching it?
There's video. But you're gonna talk.
Pepperoni, bacon.
Any other questions?
He does it for 3 minutes.
For how long?
3 minutes.
You can choose a bunch of different ones. If you choose, you just go you can choose any spellcaster and they start with a certain amount of spells. Which is like
I love that thing.
sorcerer,
I love that thing.
wizard, warlock, paladin, cleric.
These Doritos for an Siren.
Yes,
Yeah, they're-
that would be a sorcerer.
I'm still saying ambulance. And people are about to push it.
You said you're supposed to take the bag by the foot of your bed.
The knights, so they have like black armor and she's going little tiny bit of the road or spinning. The bears don't look good and the gold ones go red and they can get a level up and they go red. And you need help though? There's you need help. There's like a special stone that made them strong.